Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Hellenic Bank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Hellenic mobile banking app on your Android, first you'll need to be connected to an internet, turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you get connected to it, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search box appearing at the top of the screen and type in Hellenic Bank in the search box and press the search button. Now the application has been displayed in the search results. Tap on the Install button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android and you should be able to open the app just fine. Within mobile banking application for Hellenic Bank installed on Android devices, you can go ahead and manage your account, make your payments, check your transactions and much more soon after the application is downloaded and installed. You should see an open button popping up right next to it. Tap it on to launch the app open and there you have your Hellenic Bank application downloaded for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.